turn your balcony into a mini garden retreat. Small space makeover idea. Think you don't have enough space to enjoy gardening? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a small balcony into a peaceful green retreat, perfect for growing herbs, relaxing, and enjoying nature in even the busiest city life. Let's start with the basics. Most balconies are just used for storage or drying clothes. But with just a few changes, you can turn this overlooked corner into your favorite part of the home. Step 1. Clean and clear the space. Remove anything that doesn't belong, old boxes, broken pots, and used furniture. Start fresh with a clean floor and empty walls. Step 2. Choose a theme. Whether you want a herbal tea garden, a flower corner, or a calming green nook, pick a simple idea and plan around it. This helps keep things organized and purposeful. Step 3. Go vertical. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted racks, or tiered shelves to save space. Grow trailing plants like pothos, ivy, or strawberries that add depth and beauty to your walls. Step 4. Add useful plants. Grow herbs like mint, basil, coriander, or rosemary in small pots. Not only do they smell amazing, but you can also use them in daily cooking and teas. Step 5. Create a seating spot. A folding chair, a small bench, or even a floor mat with cushions is enough. This turns your garden into a mini escape for morning tea or evening reading. Step 6. Decorate naturally. Use terracotta pots, clay art, stones, or hanging lanterns to add an earthy, organic touch. Keep it simple and cozy. Step 7. Add a water element. A small water bowl with floating flowers or a tabletop fountain adds peace and freshness to the space. Even a DIY bird bath can bring nature in. Step 8. Use low-maintenance plants. Snake plant, rubber plant, aloe vera, and succulents are ideal for balconies. They need minimal care and thrive in containers. Step 9. Include soft lighting. Add string lights, fairy bulbs, or solar lanterns to enjoy the space in the evening. The glow turns your garden into a magical retreat. Step 10. Make it your habit. Spend at least 10 minutes a day here, watering plants, sipping tea, or just breathing. It's not just a balcony now, it's your green zone for relaxation. Even the smallest space can become a functional, beautiful garden if you plan it with care. You don't need a big budget, just imagination, a few plants, and consistency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more balcony gardening ideas and DIY home transformations.